Okay guys, this is what you do when you get hacked on your Facebook. So you just go on to the search and you write in hacked. This is what's going to show up, and then you click on to that first one there. You say you're going to type in hacked, and then you're going to come down onto this one here. You click that one, and then you come down onto, you see this will guide you through some settings so you can make the right choices for your account. So you click on the first one there, the how to keep your account secured. So these are the 3 things that you will have to do to keep your account secured. So you have to, how to keep your account secured. We will take you through some steps to help you protect your account. You will turn on logins alert. Your password is okay, then you take it on to continue. So you will turn on alerts. When you turn on alerts, we will let you know if someone logs into your account from a place where we don't recognize. We will tell you which device was used and where it's located. So you're going to switch on. So you're going to turn on all of these. So you turn all of them. They're gonna notify you on Messenger and email, and then you skip, you continue, and then is your password private? If your Facebook password is used elsewhere online, then your account may be less secure. Protect yourself and your Facebook friends. Okay, let me take you back a little bit. Easy in use. Okay. You see, this is what's going to happen here. Then you can just continue right there, and then you change your password. You click them, and then you're going to come up with a new password. So I'm going to skip this part for you. So that you don't see my password. Okay, so you change your password. So you're going to change it there. Okay, then your password updated, right? So then what do you do next? You're going to come on to next and add an extra layer of security to your account. So if you turn on two-factor authentication, we'll ask for a code if we see an attempt to log in from an unrecognized device or browser. So you have you will get a notification that is going to ask you to put in a code or something like that, so that you can give it a go ahead that you know who's logging into your account. It's going to provide an SMS or an authentication app to make more than one device. So you can set that one up, and then you go ahead, you will set it up, and then your password is gonna ask you if your password is okay, your login are okay, your turn on your two-factor authentication. Then you'll go on to review them, and then that's how it's going to be done, and then you will be done. So these are the other things you can do to protect your social media stuff, you see. So, and then that's it from me, guys, and then I'll see you on the next one.